Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 25 of our series 99% in 99 days in CBSE Mathematics. Today is day 25 and we're going to talk about PYQs of coordinate geometry. A very important session today because we have done the chapter, we have learned the concept, we have solved questions on them. Now if you complete all these PYQs with me, then you are 90% prepared for this particular chapter. 6 marks you're going to get there with the preparation. What's the last 10%, sir? You have to check whether you are able to recall all the concepts and answers. And how can you do that? By writing a mock test, which is going to be there on the Sunday. Right now we will complete the PYQs, sir. Great bacha. So let me introduce myself to you. I am Ankit Sir, asking you to join me on our platform Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel, okay, where we are providing everyday science and maths sessions for your preparation for a revision of your boards, CBSE boards for grade 10, right? So I hope this is clear. So I hope you're prepared. Please take your pen and paper out and solve all the questions with me from your PYQ section. If the question is getting lengthier, if you want to take some more time to solve it, pause the video, then solve the question from your side. If you can do it with me, then good, don't have to pause it. But let's try solving the first question. Before moving on to the questions, let's discuss one last time the chapter plan for this particular chapter called geometry. As we said, there is two important concepts in this: distance formula and section formula, and then there is application of section formula in the terms of midpoint formula and finding the coordinates of a centroid of a triangle, right? So that was it in the chapter plan. Next was, if you see the weightage, as I said, very important chapter because 6 marks from one simple chapter from two formulas actually. 2 formulas, 6 marks. Can it get simpler than that? Of course not. Category wise also very important because the question can be asked in all the sections. You can expect question in MCQ also. So I've seen your PYQs and I can see that question can be asked in MCQ, 2 marker, 3 marker, 4 marker means a case study, and a 5 marker as well. Okay, means all type of question can be asked and has been asked in your previous year's papers. Okay, so far I hope this is clear how the weightage is planned for your this particular chapter. Now moving on to question number 1 on the MCQ side, the distance of the point. This from the origin I've done this question, but I wanted to do this anyway because looks good to me. Okay, please check here. So I have the points like this given. Okay, this point is what, bacha? -6, 8. Origin means what? Origin means 0, 0. Distance, if I take this to point to be point A and this to be point B, the distance AB would be given by, we know the distance formula, sir, square root of the difference square. Okay, so 0 minus 6, excuse me, 0 minus 6, sir. Sorry for making the mistake, sir. Okay, sir. Plus 0 minus 8, bacha. If I do that, please check, I'm getting 6 square, right? So 36 plus 8 square, right? So 64. I'm getting what? 100. Please check. 30 plus 60 is 90 and 6 plus 4 is 10. 19 plus 10 is 100. 100 root is 10. The distance, it will be always positive. So distance is how much? 10 units. If they were given a 7, like a centimeter or meter, we'll write that, but nothing is given, we'll write that 10 units. But does not matter, so it's an MCQ, so we have to pick a right option. So option number D is the correct answer. Please mark and move on. Please mark and move on. But if it is a subjective question coming for 2 marker, write like this. Please mention the units also. What's the units, sir? Nothing is given, sir. Write units. Please write units. Okay, all of this matters, bacha. Okay, question number 2, again an MCQ, we can solve it, all of you can solve it. Asked in CBSE Delhi paper 2020. Let's see the distance between the points A cos theta plus B sin theta, okay, comma 0. Let's write it. A point is over here, sir. Coordinate is A, sir. A, point's name is A and coordinate is A cos theta plus B sin theta, comma 0, means X coordinate is the big one and Y is 0. Great, sir. It means what? It is on the x-axis, na, sir? Yes, sir. The point B, if you check it out, point B is over here with the coordinate 0. X is 0, sir. So on the y-axis, sir. Great, bacha. I hope you know this, right? A sin theta minus B cos theta. Minus B cos theta. Am I right? Of course. Let's check. We're looking to find what? The distance between the points, means the length AB. Sir, can a question get simpler than this? People will know the answer also. The answer is option C, sir. You'll see now. Okay. Option C, AB. Check here. AB. Please check. Okay, I'll need more space, sir. I'll need more space, sir. So let me write from here. Sir, will this much space be there? Of course it'll be, right? Check here. This value minus 0, right? X coordinates difference the square, right? What is that, sir? A cos theta plus B sin theta minus 0. I don't have to write that. The whole square plus same way this minus this whole thing. Okay? Please check. If you want, you will have this confusion. Sir, minus sign will be there, na? 0 minus something is negative. It's okay because it's a whole square. Negative will be no neglected, but I'll write it for you. Okay? So what I'm gonna get? Please check. A sin theta minus B cos theta the whole square. This entire thing is under the root and there is a separation, okay, over here. Alright, chaliye. Moving on. Aage badhe. Let's see. So now what I can see, bacha? I can simplify this over here like this. What I'm gonna get for this? Sir, A square cos square theta, na sir? A square cos square theta. What about this? Sir, B square sin square theta, sir. A square B square, na? It's A plus B the whole square. So A square B square, great, sir. Plus 2AB, correct, na? This into this. So 2AB cos into sin will be simply cos theta and sin theta, sir. Is it over, sir? No, bacha. This is only for this much step, okay, for the first bracket. Next bracket, please check. There's a plus sign. So what about this minus? Squared becomes positive. Do it for this term now. Do for the other term, this part. I'm gonna get what? A square sin square theta. I'll write it over here. A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta, right? And there's a minus sign, right? So A minus B the whole square becomes what? Minus 2AB, right? So minus 2AB and sin into cos. Sin theta, cos theta. Great, sir. Have a look. If you add them, this is positive 1, this is negative 1, in the root gets cancelled. Is it not? Okay, please check. Okay, sir. What about the next step, bacha? I'll continue like this. Now check here. I can take A square cos square and A square sin square as common, na? A square can take count from both of the terms. A square is common. Please take, bacha. Over here, I'll be ending up with cos square theta. Over here, plus sin square theta. Correct, right? Same way I can do for B square cos square and B square sin square. I hope you can see that here. B square, what I'm getting, sir? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Correct? Please check. We all know what? The identity. Sir, we have not learned trigonometry, so far by yourself. But this is a PYQ, no, bacha. So in PYQ, what happens is, when you write PYQ, when you write this kind of question in your examination, in your boards, what is the meaning of the boards? It means all chapters concept can be included in one question, right? So that's why even you're dealing with the coordinate geometry, the concept is there from trigonometric identities. So please forgive me for that. I'll tell you this. Sin square plus cos square is coming as 1. This is a formula. This is a formula. And trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. Okay? I'll talk to you about this when we start trigonometry, but right now please accept this. Okay, so what I'm gonna get over here, please check. Simply this whole thing will become what, bacha? 1, and so is this bracket will become also 1. I'm gonna end up with A square plus B square in the root. That's what the answer I took. Option C is the correct answer. Root of A square plus B square is coming as the value of AB, na sir. Okay, you don't have to actually do all the steps to get this answer, right? You can see, if you know the expressions, the x plus y whole square formula, x minus y the whole square formula, and the identity, you can see directly from here that if you take whole square, the plus 2ab term over here, plus 2xy term over here, and minus 2xy term over here will get cancelled. You can club a square and a square together, sin and cos will make 1. Again you can take b square and b square together, cos square and sin square again will make 1. So you're ending up with what? A square plus b square. You can do all of this in your mind. How can you do that? If you solve this kind of questions once and twice again. Okay, chali. This is the simplest question possible in trigonometric identity, right? Okay, question number 2 is over. Let's look for question number 3. Question number 3. The coordinates of the vertex A of a rectangle ABCD whose 3 vertices given as. Okay, sir. Can a question get simpler than this? Of course not. Of course not. Sir, you're just saying that for all the questions. But for this question, it is true. You'll see. X is here, Y is here. 0, 0 is where, bacha? 0, 0 is over here, na? One of the vertex. Which vertex is that, sir? Vertex B, na, sir? So let's say this is the vertex B. Vertex C is where, sir? Here, sir. Vertex C is here, sir. 3, 0. X is value 3 and Y is 0. D is where, sir? 0, 4. 0, 4 means here, na, sir? Here, sir. D is 0, 4. Alright. Chaliye. So think about it. If you join these lines like this and like this, you will get a rectangle. This is the vertex A over here. Think about the missing point. This length has to be same over here, right? Rectangle, no? So if it is, how much length is this, bacha? This is 3, no, sir? So the x coordinate is simply, sir, 3, even for this one. And what about this y coordinate, bacha? Tell me here. Y coordinate over here is how much, sir? 4. Same has to be here, so 4. What's my answer, sir? Answer is 3, 4. That is not looking like 4, sir. I'll rewrite it. Answer, but you know by now, is 3, 4, which is option number C again. Option number C again, 3, 4. Can a question get simpler than this? It's a PYQ. Check here. Very latest, CBSE 2023. So questions from this chapter, as I said, if you have learned the concept with me in the previous 2 sessions, okay, and solve these PYQs, you are through for this chapter. Just take a small mock test and you don't have to practice this chapter again. Very simple chapter. Free 6 marks. You all agree with me, right? Chali. Any other comments you have, let me know in the comment section. Yes? Great, sir. Okay. The ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment joining the points this and this is what? I've done a question like this in my session, so also the regular concept session, but we'll see now. X-axis means what? X-axis means, sir, x coordinate I don't know, but y coordinate is 0. All of you agreed? X-axis means what? X coordinate can be anything, but y coordinate is always 0. That we know. So the coordinate on the point of the point will be what? If this point, let's say, is point P, that coordinate will be what? X, 0. Now let's take these 2 points to be A and B. This to be A, this to be B. Right here, bacha. A is given as -2, 3 and B is given as 6, -7. Sir, how is this possible? I'm not talking with respect to the coordinate plane. Just the point's coordinate is enough for us. Okay, we're not looking that way. Now there's a point on this line somewhere here with the name P and the coordinate x, 0. I told you whenever they're asking the ratio, take the ratio m by n for the section formula to be k by 1. And then whatever you get for k, right, in place of k, and then compare with m and n to get the answer, right? But today in the session particularly, I will not see k by 1 because k by 1 makes the work easier. I'll show you this way also. Even when you take the ratio to be m to n, the work will not be that much difficult. You check this. This ratio is, let's say, m. This ratio is n, sir. I wrote n, but it is n, sir. N for New Zealand. M and n. Okay, great, bacha. So m and n is there. Now we're looking for what? Section formula. Do we have a known quantity? What is the unknown? We know our unknown, right? Unknown is the ratio m and n. But what is the known quantity? This value 0. So what does the 0 represents? Sir, isn't that the y coordinate of the point, which is creating the section? And using the section formula, I can write this as m times of y2 plus n times of y1 upon m plus n. Sir, you taught this in the section formula, right? Y coordinate of the point which is creating the section given as my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Excellent. We have y value, sir, 0. We can write over here, sir. M is simply m, sir. So I'll write m only. Y2 means the farther point's y coordinate, which is -7, sir. And what about n, sir? N is also a variable, sir, unknown. So n like that. And the farther point of the section n of the y coordinate is what? 3, coming as m plus n. Now I can do what? Cross multiply. Have a look. Cross multiplying, if I do, I get 0 equals to -7m plus 3n. This is 7. Have a look. So it doesn't look like 7, sir. Okay, sir, let me rewrite it. Minus 7. I'll bring minus 7m on this side. What I'm getting? 7m equals to 3n. Bring 7 over here and bring n on this side. So m upon n is 3 by 7. So m is to n ratio is how much, sir? 3 by 7. Option number B looks right, sir. Have a look. So whether you use k by 1 or m by n, the answer will be coming the same. In this case, if you use k by 1, no, you'll simply get k as 3 by 7. It'll become what? 3 by 7 by 1, again 3 by 7 only, right? So please take any approach, you'll get the same answer. Agreed? Great. Have a look. Question number 4 is done. Moving to question number 5 of the PYQ. This is clear, right? Any doubt in this? Of course not, right? Okay, question number 5. Okay, I've done this question. CBSE PYQ 2021 centroid. Please write the answer in the comment section. I hope all of you will get it. I think answer was 0,3. Correct, na? The formula, if you remember, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, right? So if you do that, 3 minus 8 and plus 5 by 3 comma minus 7 plus 6 plus 10 by 3. Check here. 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 8 is gone, and what I'm getting 0 by 3, so simply 0. And what about this? So 6, this has become what? Minus 1 plus 10 is what? Simply 9 by 3. Answer is what? 0, 3. Option number B is the correct answer, sir. So moving on now, I'll not give much time to this question, not required, right? Just remember this formula for centroid. Okay, we have talked about this in our regular session also. Moving on to the assertion and reason side of the questions. Again, I've taken this question. I don't think this is a PYQ, but there's another question that I've taken which is a PYQ. Okay, chaliye. First, let's look at this question. The coordinates of the centroid of a triangle with the vertex coordinates given like this: x comma y, y comma z, z comma x. Okay, have a look. Okay, this is x comma y, this is y comma z. Sir, how is this possible? Okay, just some values given like that, na? Z comma x. So x coordinate, like, and the coordinates basically the x, y, z, don't think of the, you know, the axes. Okay, the values, it can be 1, 2. I can take p, q, q, r like that also, na? Any value I can take. Please check. So x, y is my first vertex coordinate, y, z is over here, z, x over here. What's the formula centroid for the centroid? Sir, write all sum of all the x coordinate. So what is that, bacha? X over here. Please have a look, don't get confused. X over here, y over here, z over here. So what I'm gonna get? X plus y plus z. Okay, divided by what? 3. And what is the x coordinate that is given? Sir, centroid point they have given, sir. Centroid is what? Coordinates is 0, 0. So what is x value there? 0. What I'm getting? X plus y plus z equals to 0. What about the y coordinate? If I check, this is my x coordinate, right? What about the y coordinate? What is y coordinate, bacha? Have a look. Please have a look. Y plus z plus x. Correct, na? Y plus z plus x. Y plus z plus x by 3. What is the y coordinate given again here, sir? 0 only. 0. Again, what is that? Y plus z plus x equals to 0. Same thing, na? X plus y plus z or y plus z plus x is the same thing. So this is what we are getting. Okay, they have given that. Means if this is a true condition, it means this has to be true. Correct, right? Means for a triangle with the coordinates xy, yz and zx, the centroid is origin only when sum of the, you know, xyz will be 0. Only when sum of xyz is 0, then only for a triangle with the coordinate xy, yz and zx, centroid will lie at the origin. Clear hai? No problem. Means I can take this to be 2 minus 1 and let's say 3. Okay, no, 2 minus 3 and 1. 2 minus 3 and 1. Let's say this is x is what? 2. This is minus 3 and 1. Please check. 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 3 minus 3 will be 0. So for this situation, if you write this 2 comma minus 3 comma 1 and how much is it? 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Then what is going to be the centroid's coordinate? 0 comma 0. Clear है? Okay. This is just example, not giving you any additional information over, just an example. So assertion is true. Looking for a reason now. Reason is coordinate of the centroid of a triangle x1, x2, y1. Okay. Yeah, this is correct. This is standard definition of centroid, right? That's what we got to for derivation. So yes, assertion is true, reason is true, and if you check here in the assertion we have used this formula, right? It means reason explains assertion. So option number A. Reason in the assertion we are using the reasons formula, right? It means reason explains assertion. So option number A is true. Okay. Moving on to question number 2. Clear? The ratio in which the segment joining the points is divided by x-axis is 3/5. We have to solve this question. Okay. You can see here it's a PYQ. चलिए करते हैं. So let's call this point to be point A, point B, and what is this going to be? A point on x-axis. We know this, sir. P x comma 0. Same question I've done in the PYQ of your what do you call your MCQ also, right? MCQ. Sorry, I was not able to recall what I did. Okay, so A over here, B over here. A is coming as 1 comma minus 3. B is 4 comma 5. B is 4 comma 5, and point P is x comma 0. Okay, the ratio again m to n we can take. Chaliye. Write the formula for which coordinate? Again for y coordinate. How comes that? Because y is given 0. So write the y coordinate formula for the section point. Okay, the point which creates the section. So my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, right? Okay. How much is that? Have a look. So y is 0. What's m, bacha? M is simply m. y2 is the farther point, so 5 and plus n. Over here I have minus 3 divided by what? M plus n. From here what I'm getting? 5m minus 3n equals to 0. 5m minus 3n equals to 0. How come, sir? Have a look. 5m here minus 3 over here. M plus n can come on this side, will come multiplied with 0, so becomes 0. Bring this on this side. I get what? 5m equals to 3n. Bring 5 over here and n over here. I get what? m by n equals to 3 by 5. The ratio is what? The ratio is 3:5. 3:5. So this is correct. The ratio is correct, right? So option A is correct. Now look for the reason R. 3 points PQR are collinear. Okay. If area of the triangle formed by PQR is 0, let's verify it. If I have, let's say, 3 points like this, what's the area? It will be forming a triangle, bacha. It will be forming a triangle, yes or no? Think about it. This is point A, B and C. Point A, B, C will be forming a triangle. So these three are 3 points. If they are placed like this, they'll form a triangle, means the area will be there. But if I keep moving this point C close to this line, and there comes a point where this A is as it is, B is as it is, but C, instead of being here, lies. C point lies on the line. C point lies on the line. Now what you can say? ABC is collinear. Yes or no? ABC is collinear. If they're collinear, means are they forming a triangle? No, it's a straight line, sir. It means what? Area of a triangle will be what? 0. Right before this, let's say right before the point C touches the line AB, it will form a triangle like this, right? Please check. It will form a triangle like this. Correct, now? Not looking like a triangle, sir. I'll try to make a triangle out of it. It'll look a triangle like this, now. Right before this, an obtuse angle triangle. But it is not the case. The C is lying on the line AB because they have given the ABC points is collinear. For that reason, the area of triangle is what? 0. So that's why reason R is also true. But reason R explains assertion? No, sir. It means option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Clear hai? Okay. moving on. Acha, since you are watching this video, okay, and I've explained this to you, right? Option A is correct, option A is correct, reason R is correct, okay, and have a look over here also. Okay, now since you are here watching this session with us, okay, I have an important announcement to make for all of you people residing in Bangalore, okay, and if you can come, if you're coming to Bangalore, good, even for you also, you can decide and take this opportunity. So what is it? So first of all, very important program we are coming up here that we do every year, okay, it's called as DSET program, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test, okay. So what we do in this test, no, we help our students in 10th grade to address this question in their mind, that what to do after 10th, sir. Means what is coming up for me after 10th grade, okay. So how can this help, bacha? So let's say you are not decided with whether you should go with science, with maths or without maths, or not science at all, commerce or arts, whatever is your choice preference, okay, and you're not able to decide because you are, as a student in 10th, you're good in all the subjects, okay, or you're struggling in all the subjects, then how will you know which is your great potential? And in deciding that thing, you might lose 2 to 3 years of your career, and very important 2 to 3 years. So you can avoid that by just taking this test, okay. So it will be a 3-hour session conducted on the Sunday. Again, you can book the slot where you want to come on the Sunday. Where you have to come? You have to come to one of the campuses, offline campuses, Diksha, okay. Now how can you enroll in this? The link for this web page is given in the description. Go ahead, check the link, enroll yourself, get in touch with our team. They'll give you all the information that you need. You have to just commit your time for 3 hours on the Sunday with us. That's all you need to do. Rest all will be taken care from our side, okay. So that is it, bacha, this is clarity. But sir, I'm not somebody who is not clear with. They can be student, right? Let's say Aman is somebody who's clear with what he want to do in his life after 10th grade, what he want to do, take up after 10th is for his career choice, okay, for his academics point of view. Then let's say Aman, you are looking for competitive examination, okay, sir, I want to do engineering. Aman is very good, he's clear, he wants to go for engineering. But bacha, where you stand in your preparation, what is the competency level, whether for JEE, for NEET, for KSET, that can be understood if you again take this program, and will help you understand where you stand and how can you improve from here, okay. So all of this can be, you can also benefit from this, writing this DSET program, okay. So on Sunday, 3 hours on our offline campuses. How to get more details? Please enroll over here and get in touch with our team, okay. The structure, how exactly is going to help you? Means, sir, you said yes, it's going to help, but how exactly? The question comes in your mind, right? How exactly? Again, you can just fill the form and get the details from there. But I will also tell you at the end of this session how exactly the structure of the program helps the students to make the right choice, okay. So let's move on right now and go back to our questions. We have solved total of 7 PYQs. Moving to the 8th one, coming for us, okay, over here. Question number 8. If Q 0, 1 is equidistant from P 5, minus 3 and R x, 6, find the value of x, okay. Equidistance means what? We have to use the distance formula, sir, of course. Equidistance, Q is from P, means PQ is equal to what? Q from R, so QR. It's a distance, sir, so always positive. Modulus. Distance is always positive. If this is equal means the square is also equal, sir. If x equals to y means x square also equals to y square, sir. All of you agree? Of course, sir. What is the PQ value, sir? PQ value will be this, na, sir. Please check, sir. Square root of 5 minus 0 or 0 minus 5 plus minus 3 minus 1 in the root. Clear, eh? Clear? What about QR, sir? Again modulus will come. This is whole square, right? Okay. What about QR? X minus 0, simply x square, and 6 minus 1. Square and the root will be cancelling each other's effect. I'll have what? 5 square means just 25. What is that? 4 square, so 16 equals what, bacha? X square plus 6 minus 1 is what? 5 square. Cancel this 5 square and 5 square, 25. Cancel, no? What I'm getting? X square is coming as 16. So x is coming as plus minus 4. Means x value can be negative of 4 or positive of 4. Then this point R will be equidistant from the Q as point P. Clear, eh? Simple question, 2 marker, asked in the CBSE 2023 paper. Okay, simple enough, sir. Great. Question 8 is done. Moving on to question number 9. Find the area of the triangle ABC with the coordinate. Sir, area is not in the syllabus, sir. Great. But I wanted to show you this question anyway. I will not solve this. I will not ask you to solve it. Just I wanted to know how this question progress. This is not in the syllabus, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, all my sirs and madams. Chaliye. Find the area of the triangle ABC with coordinates of A as 1, minus 4. A as, please check, 1, minus 4. And the coordinates of the midpoints of the side AB. That's why I took this question, because it has a good concept in it. They don't have to ask, what do you call, to find the area. What if they ask you to find the coordinate of B and C? ABC. So they are saying what? The midpoint of the side AB is what? 2 minus 1. How comes sir 2 minus 1, sir? Because they are said bacha respectively in that order. And for side AC, sir, side AC bacha is what? Side AC is 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1, sir. Let's call this midpoint to be P and Q. We can write it. What about point B? Let's call it to be x2, y2, and this to be x3. Excuse me, sir. x3, y3. I will just help you find these coordinates x2 and y2, x3 and y3. I will not find the area, okay, because that is not part of the syllabus. Chaliye. Let's find x2, y2. How will you find it, sir? Midpoint formula, na, sir. So for point A, for the line AB, what I can write, sir? 1 plus x2, sir, by 2 is equal to the x coordinate of the point P, which is 2, sir. So what I'm getting over here is 1 plus x2 is coming as 2 into 2, which is 4, sir. So x2 is coming as 4 minus 1, which is 3, sir. Correct? 1 plus x2. X coordinates divided by 2, midpoint formula, equals to the x coordinate of the point midpoint. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 plus x2 is 4. Take 1 on that side. 4 minus 1 is 3. x2 is 3. This is 3. Let's look for y coordinates, sir. y2 minus 4, sir. y2 minus 4 is here. So minus 4 divided by 2 again equals to the y coordinate of the midpoint is how much? Minus 1. Right? Please check. Sir, cross multiply 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, sir. So y2 minus 4 is minus 2. Bring minus 4 on that side. y2 is coming as 2, sir. Correct, na? Minus 4 comes over there, becomes plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. So my x2 is 3 and y2 is 2. I'll write here this value over here in the bracket, mentioning it like this as 3, 2. Same thing I can do for point C also. Okay, please check. I think you can do for the point C. You have to take this line AC, okay, and apply what? Apply midpoint formula, okay, and comment your answer. Comment your answer for what? For the points coordinate of C. For the points coordinate of C. I just said the question is out of syllabus, but I wanted to take this for this particular part. For point B coordinate, I've given you 3, 2. Same approach you have to take. Same midpoint formula you have to take for finding the midpoint of, or the coordinate of the point C. And let me know in the comment section. Ho jayega? Yes, sir. Okay. Can I move on to question number 10? Of course, sir. Great, bacha. Prove that the points A 2, 3, B minus 2, 2, C minus 1, minus 2, and D 3, minus 1 are the vertices of a square ABCD. Excellent question. It's a PYQ, little old, 13 paper. ये 13 paper. चलिए करते हैं. How can you prove a figure given like this? So it's not a square, sir. We're looking for a square, sir. Okay, sir. I'll try to draw better. Okay, little bit better than the previous one. Okay, A, B, C and D. Square means what? Square means, sir, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. All four sides are equal. Means, okay, is it enough? No sir, all four sides are equal in rhombus also. Then how rhombus and square is different? In rhombus, sir, diagonals are not equal, no, sir. In square, diagonals are also equal, sir. AC equals to BD. Remember this. In the rhombus, diagonals are not equal, sir. Square, diagonals are equal. Means AC equals to BD and AB, BC, CD, DA are also equal. So we have to find what? Sixth length, sir? Yes, we have to find the sixth length, sir. Have a look. So many distance formula? Yes, bacha. We have to. For AB, for AB, 2 minus 2. How much is that? Are plus 2 na, sir? 2 minus 2 is plus 2, sir. I'll do for the first. For the first one, I'll do all the steps. Next, I will write directly. 2 minus of minus 2, the whole square. 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2, the whole square. Okay, please check here. What I'm getting? 4. So 16. What I'm getting? 1. So simply 1. What is coming as? So root 17 for the length AB. Weird, sir. It's okay, bacha. Have a look. For BC, sir. Over here, BC. Check, please. Please check. I'll do directly now. Minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is simply, sir, minus 1 the square plus 2 minus 2, simply, sir, 4 square. Again, minus 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, coming as root 17. Sir, looking promising. I'm getting the values like that. Great, bacha. AB, BC. Now check for CD, sir. Check for CD. CD, last one. Minus 1, minus 3. So minus 4. Please, if you're not sure about my subtractions, do it again from your side. Okay. Minus 1, minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 2, minus of minus 1. Minus 2, minus of minus 1 is minus 1 only. Sir, you said too many times minus 1. I know. Minus 2, minus of minus 1 becomes minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is how much? Minus 1. That's why we're writing here minus 1. 4 square is 16. 1 square is 1. Again coming as root 17. It is supposed to come equal, right? Yes. Please check. Last one. AB, BC, CD and DA, sir. DA, bacha. Have a look. DA means this and this you have to take. 3 minus 2, sir. So 1 square. Minus 1 minus 3, sir. So minus 4 square. Same thing. 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. So coming as root 17. Yes, sir. AB, BC, CD, DA are coming equal. Right here. Therefore, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA equals to root 17. Let's write to be equation 1 or condition 1. We can write, na? Okay. Now let's find AC and BD. AC, sir. AC means this with this one. Please check, bacha. 2 minus minus 1. 2 minus minus 1 the whole square plus 3 minus minus 2. 3 minus minus 2 the whole square. Please check again. 2 minus minus 1 is 3 and 3 minus minus 2 is 5, sir. What I'm getting over here? 2 minus minus 1 is 3 square and 5 square coming as 1 second. Coming as 9 plus 25. How much is that? 34, right? 34. Root 34. Okay, great. What about BD? Please check for BD also. For BD, I'm going to get what? Minus 2 minus 3. So minus 5. The square plus 2 minus minus 1. So 3, right? For BD. 2 minus 1 will be 3 square. I'm getting again what? 25 plus 9. So 34. What I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting AC equals to BD. And it's both equal to what? Root 34. Equals to equation or condition number 2. From condition 1 and 2, are we able to prove this required statements for the length? Yes, sir. It means ABCD is a square. Okay, please check. I've solved it over here only. I can write here. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Is a square, sir. Okay, sir. My final answer. Just a conclusion. Okay, you can write in your statement also. Yes, the side lengths are root 17 and the diagonals is root 34, which makes sense because this, if you check here, this is 34, right? Root 34. And what is this? Root 17. This also is root 17. If you use Pythagoras theorem, you're gonna get same thing, condition verified over there also. Clear? Moving on. Question number 10. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Any doubt in question number 10? Let me know in the comment section. Moving to question number 11. Question number 11. Chaliye. A point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B minus 4 like that, such that, okay, the ratio is given, sir, but in terms of the variable, so basically not given, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. A is what? 3 comma minus 5, sir, and B is what? Minus 4 comma 8, na, sir. Minus 4 comma 8, sir. What about this AP to PB? What is AP going to be, bacha? K. PB going to be what, bacha? Simply 1. Okay, let's take the points P coordinate. Points P coordinate to be x comma y. Okay, they're saying that this point P lies on this equation x plus y equal to 0. Then find the value of k. Let's find the x plus y first. Okay, great. X is equals to, sir, the formula mx, one second, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So what is m? K, sir. So k times of what? X, no? So minus 4 plus 1 times of what? 3. So 3 upon k plus 1. What I'm getting, please check. I'm getting x as simply minus 4k plus 3 upon k plus 1. Clear? What about y coordinate? Same way, m by 2. What is m value? K. y2 means this point, so 8k plus n y1. What is n? N is 1 and y1 is minus 5. So 1 into minus 5 divided by k plus 1, so m plus n. How much is that? 8k minus 5 equals to, sorry, upon k plus 1. X is known, y is known. Have a look. X value is over here and y value is over here. They're saying that this point's coordinate of x and y satisfies the equation x plus y equals to 0 because it's lying on that. So have a look. Put this value of x and y in this equation. What's the equation, sir? X plus y equals to 0. What is x value, sir? Minus 4k plus 3 upon k plus 1 plus y value, sir? 8k minus 5. 8k minus 5 upon again k plus 1 equals to 0. LCM is what, sir? K plus 1 minus 4k plus 3 plus 8k minus 5 equals to 0. Check here. 8k minus 4k is simply 4k. 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2 equals to 0, because I can take k plus 1 on this side will become 0 only, no? Multiplication with 0. So 4k minus 2 is 0. It means what? K equals to 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. My final answer is this. K is 1 by 2. Please check. K is coming as 1 by 2, sir. 1 by 2. Okay. Value of K is 1 by 2. Great. Done. Have a look. CBSE March 12 paper. A little old, but yeah, good question. Okay, moving on to question number 12. Point P divides the line segment joining the points A 2 1 and B 5 minus 8 such that AP by AB is 1 by 3. P lies, okay, great. So let's take this like this point again. Same situation actually, paper 2010, okay. What is this point A, sir? Point A's coordinate is given 2 comma 1, okay. Point B coordinate is what, bacha? 5 comma minus 8. 5 comma minus 8. Have a look. Okay. 5 comma minus 8. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. There's a point P over here. The coordinate is x comma y, of course, and the ratio is given as AP to AB is given, right? AP is what? 1 and AB is what? 3. So what is AP to PB? This is, sir, 2. Clear? AP to AB is given. Please check. AP to AB is given as 1, 2, 3. It means AB to PB is what? 1, 2, 2. Great. Let's find the value of x now. M times of x2. So let's take the ratio again, bacha. What's the ratio, sir? Ratio is given. No, ratio is given. We don't have to find the ratio. X will be what? 1 times of 5. So 1 times of 5 plus n. So n is 2. 2 times of x1 is 2 upon what? 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Yes, please check. 5 plus 4. So 9 by 3. How much is that? 3. X coordinate is coming as simply 3. Y coordinate, sir? M again. So m is 1. 1 times of minus 8. 2 times of 1. 2 times of 1 upon 3 again. Minus 8 plus 2. So minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. So what's my P coordinate? My point P's coordinate is coming as, check here, P is coming as 3 comma minus 2. Yes, 3 comma minus 2, please check. X is 3, Y is minus 2. Great, sir. It satisfies the equation. This one, because lies on the line, the point P lies on the line. Equation which is given like this, 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. It means what? Please check. 2 times of x will be what? 3 minus y is what? Minus 2 plus k equals to 0. Check here. 6 plus 2 plus k equals to 0. Bring k on this side. 8 equals to minus k. So k equals to what? Minus 8. Value of k is how much? Value of k is minus 8. Please have a look. Question number 12 is also done. Simple enough. Okay. Let's move on to question number 13, or the last question of the day, which is case study. Again, this is also a PYQ. Also a PYQ, sir. Please check, sir. Okay. Great. The coordinates, I hope you can see the coordinates. Right, this is 1, 5, 7, 5, 7, 1 and 1, 1. Okay, chali. Use of mobile, the case study, use of mobile screen for a long hours makes your eyesight weak and give you headaches. Children who are addicted to play PUBG can get easily stressed out. To raise social awareness about it, about ill effects of playing any particular game, a school decided to start, a campaign in which students are asked to prepare campaign board in the shape of rectangle. Okay, the campaign board is shown like this with the coordinates. Okay, the coordinate is 1, 1, 7, 1, 7, 5 and 1, 5. Chali. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First one, find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonal AC and BD. Diagonal AC is what, bacha? This. Diagonal BD is what, sir? This. It's a rectangle, no? It's a rectangle. Please check. Have they given this? It's a rectangle. It means the diagonals bisect each other. It means you'll have a common point of intersection. So this is going to be, let's say, point O. Clear? So find the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. Okay. You'll get the answer for the part 1. Correct, na? Yes. So how are you going to find that, bacha? 1 plus 7 by 2, comma 1 plus 5 by 2. How much is that, sir? Please check, bacha. 8 by 2 is 4 and 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 is 3. So 4 comma 3. 1 plus 7 is again 8. 8 by 2 is 4 and 5 plus 1 is 6 again. So yeah, correct. So this is right. The first answer is what? Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals. The point O coordinate is what? 4, 3. Option 1 or question number 1 is done. Question number 2. Find the length of the diagonal AC. Chaliye. AC will be what, bacha? Check here. 7 minus 1 the square plus 5 minus 1 the square. How much is that going to be, sir? Please check. 7 minus 1 is how much? 6 square, right? So 36. 5 minus 1 is 4 square. So how much is it? 16. How much is that? 52. How much is that? 4 into 13. How much is that? 2 root 13. There's no centimeter length given as, so I'll write it as units. Okay, option 2 answer is done. Moving to option number or the question number 3. Again for the part A. Find the area of the campaign board ABCD. Area means what? Area of ABCD is what? Is rectangle. So the length AB into the side BC. Length AB into the side BC. Have a look. What is AB bacha? 7 minus 1 is 6. So only 6 unit. And what is the height? Please check. 5 minus 1, so 4 unit. So 24 area, right? So square units. 24 square units. 24 square units. How come 6, sir? Please check na. This length is same, no? The y coordinate is same, 1, 1. So length will be what? 7 minus 1, so 6. Height will be what? 5 minus 1, so 4. 6 into 4 is 24 square units. Option number B. Find the ratio of the length of the side AB to the length of the diagonal AC. What's the AB length, sir? AB length is 6, sir. I can do this part B over here. 3 part B over here. Have a look. So we're looking for AB to AC. AB to AC. What is AB bacha? Check here. AB is 6 na. So 6. What is AC, sir? AC is 2 root 13. 2 3 is 6 no. So 3 upon root 13. 3 upon root 13. That's the ratio that you're looking for. 3 upon root 13 for 3B. For question number 3 part B. Have a look. Simple case study. Yes. Again a PYQ. I hope all of this is visible to you. Yes. Chaliye. This is it bacha. And as I said, I'll talk about structure of your DSAT program. That how can it benefit you. Yes, you agreed. It is benefit. But how exactly, sir? So this 3-hour session conducted on the weekend, the Sunday. What it has, no, it has 3 different parts in it. First part is a lecture. So first of all, we'll give you a lecture of 1 hour on any particular concept by a very senior faculty. So in that 1 hour, 45 minutes will be a lecture or a concept lecture, and then last 15 minutes will be a doubt session or a Q&A round. You can ask your doubts in that session that you have learnt. Okay. Now next 1 hour, so 1 hour is over. Next hour, which is second hour, you can write an aptitude test. Okay. The third hour, we will evaluate your aptitude test, and you have to go for one-on-one counseling with you and your parents. Okay, with you, whatever your choices, with our team of counselors, very experienced counselors and faculty members, and you can answer. You can ask for all the questions and we'll answer all of your doubts. We'll tell you how your paper went, how is your process of thinking, where you can improve. So all of your questions, if you don't know what to ask at that point of time, write it from today only. List down all the questions, and when you go on Sunday, ask all these questions with our team. And I'm very sure they'll answer all of your questions, and you'll be very satisfied coming out of this program. Okay. So this is the end of it. So I hope this is clear now how this can benefit you, because we are giving a lecture and we're gonna see how you think about a problem, okay, based upon the test. And if you do good in this test, and if you are looking to join us for your 11th and 12th preparation, then you will get a very attractive scholarship on your admissions also. So please make sure you take this benefit and go ahead and write the program for your understanding what to do after grade 10 for your preparation of any competitive exam if you are looking for. Okay, so with this bacha, I would like to conclude the session. I know you like the session, right? Because I felt good about it. I enjoyed the session. A lot of PYQs we took and we solved all of them. Okay, and it was very simple also, not very difficult. So with this I would like to conclude the session and take permission to say bye to you and see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please keep positivity around you and keep working hard. Okay, see you soon.